Hi student, myself Dr. Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाच महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now today we discuss about FYBSc Syllabus, choice based credit system syllabus to implemented from academic year 2019 to 2020, semester first, paper first. Title of papers: Introduction to Physical Geography, paper first, Geomorphology, including geomorphology, only for geomorphology related to study in introductory to physical geography. Okay. Yes. Here the FYBSc majorly 3 papers. First paper, the paper code is GG 111, the semester first, paper first. Title of papers: Introduction to Physical Geography, only related to geomorphology concern. Another paper is GG 112, first semester, second paper, the Introduction to Physical Geography, paper second, related to geomorphology of atmosphere and hydrosphere, only related to atmosphere and hydrosphere, the second paper. And third paper is GG 113, the first semester. The title of papers: Practical in Physical Geography. Now first chapters. Come to the first chapters. Unit number first, Introduction to Geomorphology. The first chapter, majorly the 4 sub points we are studied. First point is Introduction to Physical Geography and its branches. What is meant by physical geography? Which physical geography and these related to branches, sub branches, the study in these points, sub points. Another is geomorphology. Geomorphology, definition of geomorphology, nature of geomorphology, and scope of geomorphology. In these points, cover of in these second points, geomorphology. Third point is component of Earth system. These Earth system, these components, in this point studied. Fourth is geological time scale, which is time developed, the historical time जे काय आहेत. This time studied in geological time scale. And last point is applied geomorphology. In these 5 points cover in first chapter. Now second chapter we studied the Earth system. Majorly the 4 point study in Earth system. The first point is interior of the Earth. The interior of the Earth, this is the structure, compositions of the Earth. Which type of layers in the interior part of the Earth the base of seismic evidence. This material the given and taken to some information, getting some information to interior of the earth. These points cover up the first point, interior of the earth. Another is theory of isostasy. The plate tectonic, these so many plates they studied in isostasy. Then the surface, म्हणजे surface is not stable, unstable, continuously changing the locations and geographical features. So the first is theory of isostasy and another is Wegener continental drift theory. According to Wegener, give the various type of proofs studied in these points. Drift continental theory. Now fourth point is crustal movement. In these crustal movements, we are studied 2 points. First is folding. The folding features these their types and origin of foldings. Then the faultings and its types. And these types studied in these points detail. Okay. Now unit number 3, plate tectonics. Plate tectonic, the chapter, various type of plates, the divergent and move one place to another place, and these plates studied in these chapters. These plates in this chapter studied in only 3 points. First is theory of plate tectonics. What is theory? This theory, the principles and the proofs, the study in plate tectonics. Another, plate and boundaries and associated landforms. These points cover up the second points. And third points is earthquake and volcanoes and their types, causes and effect studied in these sub points, earthquake and volcanoes, C points. And last units, 4 units or chapters, geomorphic process. Geomorphic process majorly under the 4 sub points to study. First point is rock and minerals. What is mean by rocks and what is mean by minerals? This is the meaning, differentiations of classification of rocks. These points cover up in these sub points. Another is weathering. What is mean by weathering? First of all, the definition of weathering, and another is type of weathering. Chemical weathering, biological weathering, physical weathering, etc. These points cover in second points. And third points, mass movements, meaning of mass movement and type of mass movements. This म्हणजे studied material to include in third point. And lastly 4 points cover up fuel cycle of erosion, Davis by theory of Davis. This is the first term syllabus. Okay, the first term we are discuss in these chapters, 4 chapters. Okay, ठीक है, thank you.